Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Strong Warrior. How are you? It is Monday, September 18th, 2023. How y'all feeling? I hope y'all are chilling. I hope the vibes is right. It is Monday. You already know. Like, one down, all of them to go. You feel me? Like, we just thankful to be here, as I'm thankful for y'all showing me love each and every time. It really means a lot to me. I can't do this without y'all. Feel me? Word. But like, it's raining over here. East Coast, New York specifically. I can't speak about anywhere else. But it's just a little damp outside, and then it's about to get a little warm, and then it's gonna go back down again. Autumn is really like transitioning, you know what I mean, from the summer. So the new equinox is on the way. Let's see what the universe got for us today. Feel me? If y'all have not checked out my official tarot guide, if y'all want to get just some idea of how to read tarot, you can always visit my Etsy. I will put the information on the screen. If I got that pronunciation wrong, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. All right. We ain't dealing with the petty betties and shit. You know, them petty Krugers and the petty LaBelles stay like hawking the scene, but it is what it is. We ain't about that life, but we could be if necessary. Okay? Okay, so let's hop into this tarot and see what messages the universe got for us today. All right. All right. Okay. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, someone got some growth to do. I feel like someone, well, the energies of these cards is giving, seeing where they are, or seeing where they were, seeing where they are, seeing what they want, seeing where they want to be, and like really kind of like shadow work in the situation, like really looking at themselves and being like, yo, this is what I want, but I be doing dumb shit, right? So how can I not do dumb shit? Like, you feel me? When you give yourself that real look over, you know what I mean? When you're not afraid to be like, oh, I can't believe I did that. Like, you just gotta face yourself head on type shit. This is the energy that I'm seeing. Clarified by the Four of Clubs, the J of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Okay. Okay. There's a lot of like decisions to be made, and don't you hate it? Like, it's like you with a fork in the road, right? And it's like any road you pick, like somebody's gonna be upset about it. You know what I mean? Like, or you just not gonna like it. Like, you just not gonna be happy, because it's just like, I don't know. Like, it's just one of those things where it's like our decisions affect other people. This is the energy is given. Yep. Shit. Um. Okay. Okay. A lot of air sign energy right here. These swords, justice, and this Four of Swords here. I feel like when things get overwhelming, we would have to like step back from things, allow ourselves to see what it is that we ultimately want, even if it affects other people. It's like we have to like really evaluate the situation and take a step back when things get a little too overwhelming, or we start to see that we're doing things in order to make other people happy, just so like rifts won't be taking place, or like darkness won't come over, you know what I mean, on our sunshine type shit. And that's sad. So when those situations happen, it's always good to be like, I gotta step back from this. Because I feel like I'm only doing this to make you happy, and it's not making me happy. It's actually causing me some fucking, like, distress and shit. Um, yeah, and, like, this is your fucking life. Like, we're not gonna be sitting up here just doing shit for other people, and they not the ones dealing with the consequences of all of anything. They're not the ones that are benefiting from the situation, from whatever you do. They just gonna be like, oh, but we pictured this for you, and it's like, well, I hate to fucking disappoint you, but I'm not gonna live my life for you. I'm not gonna make these decisions based on your happiness. This is my life. I gotta do what makes me happy. And the more I see myself trying to make you happy for the decisions that I make based upon my life, I see myself being miserable, and I can't do that. So yeah, that's what it's given. Don't be afraid to follow your heart and go for what you want, and be able to just make clear-cut decisions where you don't feel like you're in a rush, unless it's those things where it's like it's a green light, it's go time. If it's fucking like a red light, don't try to push the fucking button for a green light. If it's yellow light, take your fucking time. You feel me? And I feel like this is a lot of people right now. So, yo, Godspeed, for real, because we all riding a wave, and this journey is nothing to fuck around with. So, you already know. Peace and love.